in deep and let it go. Define atmen loslassen. Let serenity flow. Lass die gelassen.